A well dug in normal times has a higher possibility of running out of water during a drought. But a well dug during a drought has low chances of running out of water in future. Similarly, when there is drought of positive returns in markets, SIP installments help you keep digging deeper. And when market condition improves, compounding has potential to multiply your investments multiple times. Therefore, remember, continue digging deeper with SIP installments. If you can, increase your SIP installment. Do not stop SIPs. If you don't have an SIP, start one right now. Get help of a financial advisor today. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.